Hello, this is Michael Jones. Today I'll be doing a short unboxing and review of this mini folding neck fan. The model number is F30 Pro. It comes in a few different colors. It comes with blue and white, black and white, and I guess pink. Okay, here are the parameters. It says that the input power is 5 volts, 1 amp. I'm assuming it's the output power as well. It's called the F30 Pro and folding fan and has this information on it. I'm not sure if that means anything. Here are some of the fully featured. Okay, gentle neutral breeze, large capacity battery. It doesn't say how much the capacity is. Electricity, power bank. Oh, it's a power bank. Okay, and phone holder. So let's take a look at it. Okay, here it is. Okay, very nice. And it comes with a neckband that you could put on that I will not be putting on. So the neckband does come with these two parts over here like this, and there is a strap that you can adjust the length. What these do is that it comes off, so that way if you want to connect it and put it on both sides, I'll show you right now, you can put it on this side and just take it off whenever you want to just have it by itself, and these parts will be connected, and the whole string won't, so you can also use it without having it around your neck. I'm not sure if I'm ever going to really carry it around my neck. I got it mostly to cool down my hard drives that were overheating when I was transferring files from them to them. It comes with also a USB to A cable, so that way you could charge up the battery over here or just use it plugged in if that's what you want to do. Okay, and now let's talk about the actual device itself. I'm going to do the measurements real quick. However, it should probably be on their website, but whatever. It is 6.5 inches long. All right, very nice. 3 inches wide, and how many inches thick? I would say 3/4 of an inch thick, I guess. All right. It folds up. When it folds up, it's much smaller. Well, it's still the same that way, but this way it'll be 3 1/4 inches, I guess. All right. Those are the dimensions. It's a nice piece. There's not much to talk about. This is nothing. I'm not sure what these are. Maybe it's supposed to be for something. This did not come out. I'm not sure what that point of this thing is. It looks like it's going to come out, but I'm not sure what it is at all. I'm honestly not sure what it's meant to do. It has some information over here, so let's try to read it. Okay, let's see if okay, there we go. F30 Pro. The capacity is 3,000 milliamp hours, which is nice. That's a nice capacity. That's like a phone battery, an older phone. And the output and input are 5 volts, 1 amp. So that's really good. And the power is it's 5 watts because if we the 5 volts times 1 amp is 5 watts. So that's what it does. Okay, so let's take a look at it. So I just fully charged it, but this is what it looks like when it's charging. It has a charging port right here, Type-C port right here, and Type-A port for output. Okay, and 100%. All right, this is what it looks like when it's at 100%. It does tell you how much battery there is. It has a nice screen, honestly, for $10. It actually was $5, and then by mistake, and then I think that was a mistake, and then they upped it to 10. So that was a little sad for me. Okay, so there are 4 functions. But first, I wanted to tell you I bought 2 of them actually because I thought it's a good piece, so I thought I'll buy 2. And by the way, I'll put the link to the fan down below. But let me show you where I got it. It was over here on eBay for $10 a piece. It was $5. I made a mistake and didn't buy it right away, so yeah, I got messed over for that. And here it is, just $10. So I found the specifications over here. It says everything the same, but over here we say that it's made out of polymer core. Interesting. And the service time is 10 hours on first gear, 5.5 hours on second gear, and 4 hours on third gear. I'm not sure what the fourth gear is, honestly. There's a fourth gear, and I'm not sure what it is. I think maybe it just goes back to the first. I don't know. And it shows you what it comes with. I didn't get any instructions. Maybe my instructions fell out. Never mind, I found the instructions. Here they are. If you want to pause it and read it. Yeah, and I guess this is my warranty card that I could fill out. Okay, so let's test it out. Now it's on the first setting, and then after it tells you what setting it's on, it changes to how much power is left, and then turns off. So right now it's on setting 1, and then you have to press it twice in order to get to setting 2 if you didn't, if the screen turns off, and then there's setting 3, and then there's 4. I'm not sure what 4 is. And then it goes back to 1. I'm not sure what 4 is. Maybe 4 is eco mode or something. So 1, 2, 3. When it's on the I'm not sure what's going on. But when it's on this mode right here, it actually is pretty strong, I'm not going to lie. Okay, let's do this again. So you press it once, it goes to setting 1. I'm going to face it away so that way it won't blow into the camera. Setting 1. So you press it once, setting 1. Okay? Then you press it again, it goes to setting 2. And then you press it again. You press it again, it goes to setting 3. Setting 4, I'm not sure what setting 4 is, and then it goes back to setting 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to turn it off, you press the power button for a few seconds and it turns off. You press it again, 1, 2, 3, 4, off. Okay? If you have it sitting on the table like this, it's not going to have air coming in, so it's going to have a hard time sucking in air. If you pick it up, it'll have much better time sucking in air. So it's not meant to be standing on the floor like this. So this is better, but just so you know, if you do this, you'll have the same problem. It's not sucking any air in from anywhere, and it has a problem blowing air. So it'll just get like kind of get stuck. So you gotta have it like facing this way. And let me tell you, on volume 4, on setting 4, you can really feel it. Like it's a nice amount of air. It's good. So let's test it when it's charging my phone. I just want to charge the phone quickly to see if it's working well. Okay, it was pretty hard to get that in there actually. Now let's see how it charges my phone. Alright, is it charging? I have to press the button maybe. No, I don't have to press the button, it's charging. Okay, there we go. As you can see, right here it's charging. Okay, not bad. It's working. It probably is not rated for any kind of waterproofing or anything like that, so I would definitely recommend be careful with it, so that way you wouldn't get any problems. Thanks for watching, I hope this helped you. Have a great day.